The Chevelle was introduced by Chevrolet to compete with the Ford Fairlane and provide a model similar in size and concept to the popular 1955 to 57 models. It shared the same wheelbase as the 1955 to 57 Chevy and offered various body styles such as two-door hardtop coupes, convertibles, four-door sedans, and station wagons. Different nameplates were used for the wagons, including Greenbrier, Concours, and Concours Estate. The Chevelle was available with 6-cylinder and V8 engines and was also assembled and sold in Canada. The Chevelle SS, Chevrolet's muscle car entry, featured special exterior trim with SS emblems, bucket seats, and additional performance options. It went through different iterations, including the limited production Z16 big block-equipped cars. In 1966, the SS396 series was introduced, featuring reinforced frames, revised front suspension, and various engine options, including the powerful 375 horsepower V8. The Chevelle underwent restyling in 1966, adopting smooth contours and a Coke bottle body shape. It offered different trim levels and engine choices, including a 327 cubic inch V8 and a 283 cubic inch V8. The 1967 models featured styling tweaks, improved safety features, and the availability of front disc brakes. The Chevelle Z16 was a rare and highly sought-after version, with only 201 units produced. It included unique features such as a convertible boxed frame, heavy-duty suspension, and a 396 turbojet V8 engine. Genuine Z16 Chevelles are extremely valuable and hard to replicate due to their unique equipment and trim. Overall, the Chevelle played a significant role in Chevrolet's lineup, offering a range of body styles, engine options, and performance variants throughout its production years.